Hey, what's up? So this video is going to show you how you can use these custom fonts in your Instagram bio. As you can see, mine's nothing special, but it's bolded, and where it says essentials, it's different than how it would be. Like where it says tap into the tube, that's more or less the only fonts they let you use, but there's a way around it. So what you're going to want to do is open up your any browser that you use on your phone. And there's a bunch of websites, but the one that I've used for this specific purpose was igfonts.io. And then it's very simple. Just type in like whatever you want in your bio. So like, let's say my name, and then the next line, my bio, and I don't know, whatever. Hello. So as you can see, it gives you all of these different options down here that you can put inside your custom font, right? So if you want to use any of these, for example, like, let's try this. So we're going to put, whoops, click on it and copy that. Hold on, where is it? There. Copy that. And now if you go back into here, into your edit profile, where you have like these things, I can simply just click this. And as you can see, it will be like that. If you want to have like whatever, line by line, and obviously you got to do it manually, but there you go. That's how it looks like. So that's pretty much how you can get these custom fonts inside of your Instagram bio. I hope that helps you guys out. If you have any further questions, let me know. It's a very simple process, and I hope that helps you guys out. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and subscribe for more videos like this. All right, peace.